Hi guys, and welcome to Jules Cooking. It's been a while, but I'm back. I'm standing here in my home kitchen, and from now on, I'm going to film my episodes over here. This way, I'll be able to film way more often and to upload more frequently as well. So today, we're gonna make a vegan Sriracha mayonnaise. It's cashew nut based and it's really simple. Let's begin. Start by pouring 120 grams of cashew nuts into a cup and cover it completely with water. Now let it soak for at least 1 hour. Meanwhile, drain 400 grams of chickpeas and measure 200 grams of the liquid. Then drain the cashew nuts. Pour them into a mixer and add the chickpea liquid. Now add a pinch of salt and a drizzle of olive oil. Then add around 2 tablespoons of Sriracha hot sauce and mix it until it's a smooth mayonnaise. Okay, give it a little taste, and when necessary, season it with a little bit more salt. Now pour it into a jar or a bowl and let it set for about 30 minutes in your fridge. And now serve it with some twister fries, crispy onions, coriander and thinly sliced Spanish pepper. Okay guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think in the comments and subscribe if you want to see more. Bon appetit! Sorry. Oh my god. Dude, what did you eat, man? Come on, serious?